Well, good morning, meteorologist Dean Davison. The Weather Pros responding fire. We're talking today about the potential of severe weather here. Once again, Philadelphia, New York City, Delaware, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., and it stretches back to around Cincinnati. And then you have the marginal risk comes close to Roanoke. I won't be surprised once again if this gets dipped further down with potential mesoscale convective system coming in and shooting down. It's all about timing, and the model's a little off still on that. It looks like we do get a break eventually from this severe weather for at least a day or two in the east as things start coming together to be a little bit quieter. We've had damaging winds as the main threat. I can't rule out the tornado because it's going to be right on the boundary. But the majority will be a damaging wind threat with some hail and the mesoscale convective system pretty much being the issue. New Jersey and Delaware and Philadelphia and Pennsylvania have been really getting slaughtered the last few days. Tornado warnings in Harrisburg. Tornado warnings up in northern Jersey near New York City. Southern Jersey. It's been a rough couple of days. It's been here in the east. Some damaging winds here today. Some out in Bedford County further. Some straight line wind damage. Philadelphia, same way cars being crushed. I mean, it's been a rough couple of days here, and we'll show you the future radar and model data. So current things are going away. You'll see the storms try to act up, then come in. You see we will get a slowdown and then a refire. Will they make it in? That's the question that we need to know. We get some storms shooting around 8 o'clock tomorrow. Here just west of the Roanoke area. We also got these storms here in Philadelphia and New York City area. A severe threat coming through there. So there's a couple things there to look out for. And then, it dies down. So we look into what's going on Friday. And Friday, it doesn't look like it's going to generate as big, but especially in the further north. But we have to watch down here. I think this may be introduced as a potential severe weather area from about here. This area might be in a marginal or slight risk. At some point, we'll show you why. You can see these lines of storms starting to pop. When I pull this off and advance this, you can see explosion of thunderstorms right around the Roanoke Valley and to the east. So a couple lines of storms here, a couple pop-ups. So we have to watch those for rotation all the time. And then this will then move out of the area. And you see that rotating, it's low pressure, and that's why I'm a little concerned here about it. I'm going to actually pull that to the side real fast. Pull back to here. That's a little concerning to me, but then by the weekend, it actually looks like a nice, cooler, drier air mass just pushes in. You're only going to be in the 80s instead of the 90s, and that's going to feel good. I like to see here, though, thunderstorms here, stay mainly north with a high pressure that'll build in, which will keep all this. This mainly be to the west, keep all this to the north, and keep the chance of shower thunderstorms out of the area for most of the time. So we pull this off, and not much going on here. Maybe some damaging winds is a threat, but not much. There's no real tornadic look to it, which is good. But we have to keep an eye on it Friday afternoon to Friday evening. As we get kicked through. One thing you will see is a cooling trend. You see as temperatures get cooler and not ramp back up. So cooling trend will come from the northwest. As you turn from the north and northwest, you see the winds there turning from the north and the northwest into Friday and Saturday. That's a good sign. We look at dew points, and that'll even make it even nicer. Dew points is the major thing. I could be 80 degrees, and as long as I have cooler, drier dew points, I will be happy. So the cooler and drier the dew points, the better. When you start getting back in the 50s and for dew points, that is a happy. That'll make a lot of people happy based on what temperatures have been. And like I said, this is still Friday, so we've got dew points in the 60s still. We're moving on along. This will show you definitely a difference. Where I believe we're going to see dew points in the 50s, or at least getting into the 50s, cooling down. There you go, 55, 56 in Roanoke. Nice, cool, and drier air. Dew points. That's going to be a couple days, and that'll be nice. So we'll keep you updated. We do have a severe weather threat again, fortunately tomorrow. Delaware, Philadelphia, and going on down to Roanoke. So we'll talk to you again soon. Meteorologist Dean Davison. Thanks for watching.